How to delete Facebook account on an iPhone. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. Let me guide you through quick and easy and how you can delete Facebook account on an iPhone. Well, to delete Facebook account on an iPhone, simply proceed to open up Facebook first. Then from here, you want to tap on the profile tab here. If you tap on profile tab as well, that is fine. Or if you tap on the hamburger icon at the top left corner of your screen, that is fine as well. Now, if you tap on hamburger icon here, proceed to head into settings and privacy by scrolling down and then tap on settings. Once you're on the settings tab, tap on the account center option. Then here, you're going to tap on the option here that says personal details. Once you tap on personal details, tap on account ownership and control, and then you want to tap on the deactivation or deletion option, through which you'll be able to find the option here to choose your Facebook account if you have multiple accounts linked. Select your particular account and proceed to tap on delete account. If you want to delete your account and not deactivate, then make sure that the blue circle is on the particular box, on the particular option. Tap on continue, enter in your password, and you're good to go. This is how you can delete your Facebook account on iPhone. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe.